Good morning, everybody. Good to be with you here on a Monday, May 22nd. Grain markets got a little green on the screen here. Corn and beans up. July corn's up 4.5. We got beans up 9 3/4. July Chicago wheat down 5 3/4. KC wheat down 11.5, and spring wheat down 6 1/4. Outside markets, the big news right now: debt ceiling talks. Really, a lot of negotiations going back and forth. Ultimately, it sounds like early June timeframe is kind of the deadline to get a decision made in here. The U.S. looks at default on their debt. Outside markets, equity, metals, and crude are all fairly quiet this morning. Managed money here: corn net short 87,000, beans still a net long 21,800, and wheat net short 115. So you're seeing a little bit of covering in the corn and wheat markets. Um, Beans about the same in here, and this is through last Tuesday. Here's the 7-day QPF. This is a 7-day total preset map. Notice that white area there: Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, and even eastern Iowa, Missouri. Some dry areas in there. And so you got to wonder if we're going to start seeing a little bit of weather premium coming in. That $5 area on new crop corn is held. That's the next chart we have in here. You can see $5 below. We did a webinar in here last week on the May low to June high. Typically, you can expect the last 3 years, maybe a 5 to 10% rally kind of puts us in that 515 to 540 area. Above that, if you're looking at a 20% rally like we had, I believe, in 2021, you're looking at that 590 price point all the way up there. If you have the fortitude to hold on and wait to make any sales, keep in mind, and this is from a psychological perspective out there, you got to consider your neighbor, your cousin, everybody else that's farming right now. There's a lot of new crop corn that hasn't been sold yet. And so these levels are going to be important. Everything is counter trend rallies at this point. We believe you need to adjust your marketing plan and make some sales into those points. You can always reown with call strategies. We've done a couple videos on that, and we're more than happy to answer any questions or put together a plan for you if you have questions on those call strategies, as a way to kind of stay in the market on a fixed risk position in case things get crazy and run higher, which they certainly could. We're not going to be all doom and gloom in here, but we need to make some smart decisions going forward. So, like we said, give us a call or send us an email if you have any questions or need some help adjusting your marketing plan. We do have a free trial to our grain and livestock report below. We also have timely text alerts along with that. Right now, we're 40% sold on beans. We're going to be starting on new crop corn here shortly. And as always, thanks again for being with me here on a Monday. And let's try and get just a little bit better today. We'll talk to you guys again tomorrow.